Welcome to Best Productly. Five Best Professional Hair Dryers 2020. We are going to check out top 5 best professional hair dryers in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this professional hair dryers, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
VASLON 1875W Professional Hair Dryer, Nano Ionic Blow Dryer Professional Salon Hair Blow Dryer Fast Dry Low Noise, with Concentrator, Diffuser, 2-speed and 3-heat setting. Quick hair drying, with 1875W AC motor high power performance dry hair 50% faster compared to other hair dryer, especially for thick and long hair. Negative ionic technology, makes hair more moisture, silky smooth effect, protect it deeply from damage and dull. Professional hair styling, with 3-heat 2-speed settings and enough temperature, this blow dryer style frizzy hair or straight hair using different size nozzles and diffuser. AC motor, professional AC motor prolongs the life cycle of hair dryer, thrice longer more compared DC motor 2.65 meter Salon cable with hanging loop and easy to use.
Top 4.
HDT 2000 Professional Hair Dryer, most powerful and super fast drying salon grade ionic and ceramic tourmaline technology quitter powerful AC motor 2 concentrator nozzles extra long 12 feet cord. Enhanced drying power, our hair dryers are equipped with professional AC motor for an efficient, long-lasting, and all-out blowing that will get the job in less than 5 minutes. Includes a 2-year warranty. Powerful and quiet, compared to conventional blow dryers out there. Ours features a quieter drying experience that won't bother you or your customers while you're in the middle of styling. Damage-free hair, we use ceramic tourmaline technology to let heat radiate directly onto the hair while preserving its natural moisture without drying the external structure. Better airflow, the integrated ion generator enriches the airflow with negative ions to neutralize static, uphold the hair's moisture, diffuse fizz and improve your hair's luster.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
John 2200W Super Fast Drying Professional Hair Dryer Nano Ceramic Ionic Stylist Salon Blower Powerful AC Motor with 2 Concentrator Nozzles Blast Turbo 6900 Glossy Black. Fast drying 2200 watt salon dryer, all the power in your hand. 6 heat speed settings, perfect for women's hair types from soft thin to coarse thick. Tourmaline ceramic ionic technology, more healthier and shinier, less frizz and damage. Concentrator nozzles, easy to style curls, straight. 5-year warranty, free replacement for defective and damage.
Top 2.
John Ceramic Ionic 2200 watt powerful salon use blow dryer fast drying professional hair dryer with Boar Bristle brush AC motor 2 concentrator nozzles blast turbo 6900 glossy black. AC turbo motor 2200W fast drying and styling in minutes, perfect for short to long hair. Ceramic Ionic keeps hair healthy and shiny, prevent frizz or damage. 6 heat speed settings, designed for all hair types from soft thin to coarse thick. Concentrator nozzles and hair brush, easy to style curls, straight. 5-year warranty, free replacement for defective and damage.
Top 1.
Professional Ionic Hair Dryer, handcrafted in France for Europe's finest salons, featherweight, dual ion generator function, builds shine and volume 1600 watts. The Sixth Sense Masterpiece Professional Hair Dryer is entirely handcrafted in France for Europe's finest salons, hotels and spas. It features legendary reliability and unheard-of quality. Its long-life motor will outlast your drugstore dryer and you will never look back. White Box Special. Forgive our plain white box. We've had to ship in a plain white box as demand outpaced our box delivery. So, to make up for it, we are giving you our Velvet Dryer Bag Special. We've got a super bonus for you. Included with your Masterpiece Pro Dryer is our new plush velvet dryer bag big enough to fit your dryer, 2 concentrator nozzles and a diffuser, diffuser sold separately. This bag is nice thick black velvet to store your dryer or carry it in style.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.